Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And we'll jump right into this poster. Wanted to know how to recreate this use with caution. And it's pretty simple. All you got to do is, okay, let's go ahead and make the words. And we'll start with the text tool. We'll just recreate the words. And basically take our text here, and let's first find the font. So we'll double click on the text, come down here, and this one I believe is Agency Bold, and that looks pretty good. It's a little bit small, so we're going to make it a little bit bigger. That's 50 point. Let's bring it up to like 75 point. That looks a lot closer to what they got there. But what's missing is the color. How do we get the right color as the poster is using here? Well, we can double click on this and come down to the color palette, but we don't know if this is the exact same color, and our eyedropper tool turns off when we into the photo. So what we want to do is recreate the exact color by grabbing the eyedropper tool over here, and then we'll just click on the color, and now it's up here. So now when we go double click on the text, we can go over to this color, click it, and hit OK, and it turns it into the exact same color. Now we want to create this arc up here, so we'll double click on it, come down to this little T with the arc, click it, and right up here in Style, choose from None to Arc. And there it goes. And that opens up these parameters. Take this bend, and we're going to bring it up. We can bring it up or bring it down to any percentage that you want. So I think this one is probably close to a 50 point. Hit OK, and look at that. We're getting pretty darn close. I'm going to bring this over here and then grab the whole piece in the corner and make it a little bit smaller. And there we go. We got this pretty darn close. Look at that. It fits perfectly. Next thing is that the text has an outline. So you can see this letters up here has two outlines. One is black and then one is the yellow. So let's first put the black one in. We're going to right click on this, hit Edit Layer Style, go to Stroke, and you can see the stroke comes in the size of 4 points, and it's already black, so I don't have to change anything. I'm going to bring it up to match the other one, and this looks like about a 7 point. That's pretty darn close to the other one. We're going to hit OK. Now we can't do a stroke on top of a stroke, so how do we build the green stroke outside of that? Let's go ahead and turn this along with the stroke. See right here it says effects. That means it's two different things. It's a picture and it has an effects. We can't do two effects at the same time, so let's marry this effects into the picture. How do we do that? We right click and simplify that layer. Now the effects went away because now it's permanently a part of the image. Let's do the exact same thing one more time, but we're going to make it green color. We're going to right click on the image, go to Edit Layer Style once again, just like we did before, go to the stroke, and this time, let's say if we go like, I don't know, 6 point. But why do we see it as black? Because right here it's chosen as black. If we click on the black and then look at the eyedropper tool, click on the eyedropper tool, hit OK, and now we could see we got us the stroke. So now we could just bring this whole image up right here, and look what we got. An exact duplicate of what the original poster had created. I can toggle back and forth, and you'll see it's just about almost the same thing. So that's it for this tutorial. This is Rich, calling it quits, saying over and out.